Welcome back to Auto Luxury, the channel where we explore the world's most fascinating classic cars, vintage trucks, and timeless automotive legends. If you enjoy discovering rare vehicles and learning their history, make sure to subscribe to Auto Luxury and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Today, we're taking a closer look at the charming and dependable 1960 Austin A55 Pickup, a classic British utility vehicle that perfectly combined practicality, reliability, and timeless design. While it may not have been the fastest or the most luxurious pickup of its era, the Austin A55 Pickup earned the respect of farmers, small business owners, and tradespeople across the United Kingdom and many other countries. Even today, it remains a beloved classic among collectors who appreciate vintage commercial vehicles with real character. The Austin A55 Pickup was based on the successful Austin-Cambridge passenger car. Austin engineers took the comfortable and dependable platform of the sedan and transformed it into a hardworking pickup truck capable of handling daily tasks with ease. This clever design allowed the vehicle to provide a smooth driving experience while maintaining the durability expected from a commercial vehicle. One of the first things people notice about the 1960 Austin A55 Pickup is its classic styling. The rounded front fenders, elegant chrome grille, circular headlights, and clean body lines reflect the design trends of the late 1950s and early 1960s. Unlike many modern pickups that focus on aggressive styling, the Austin A55 has a friendly and welcoming appearance that continues to attract attention wherever it goes. Performance. Under the hood, the Austin A55 Pickup was powered by a reliable 4-cylinder gasoline engine that delivered enough power for everyday work. Although it wasn't built for speed, it offered dependable performance and excellent fuel economy for its time. Drivers appreciated its smooth engine, easy maintenance, and long-lasting durability, making it an economical choice for businesses and families alike. The 4-speed manual transmission provided simple and reliable operation. Gear changes were smooth, allowing drivers to confidently navigate city streets, country roads, and rural farms. The lightweight construction also helped improve handling, making the pickup surprisingly easy to drive compared to many larger commercial vehicles of its era. Interior. Inside the cabin, the Austin A55 Pickup featured a straightforward and practical interior. The dashboard included easy-to-read gauges, simple controls, and a large steering wheel that offered excellent visibility. The bench seat provided comfortable seating for 2 or even 3 passengers, depending on the configuration. While the cabin wasn't luxurious, it delivered everything drivers needed for long hours behind the wheel. One of the pickup's greatest strengths was its cargo bed. Whether transporting farming equipment, construction materials, groceries, or everyday supplies, the sturdy rear bed was designed to handle demanding jobs. Small businesses relied heavily on vehicles like the Austin A55 because they combined passenger car comfort with genuine work capability. The suspension was carefully tuned to balance comfort and utility. Even when carrying loads, the Austin A55 Pickup remained stable and predictable. This combination of durability and comfort helped it become a trusted companion for thousands of owners throughout Britain and beyond. Maintenance was another area where the Austin A55 truly excelled. Its mechanical simplicity meant repairs could often be completed using basic tools, and replacement parts were widely available. This made ownership affordable, especially for small businesses operating on tight budgets. Many examples survived decades of hard work because owners could easily keep them running. Collectors today admire the Austin A55 Pickup for its historical importance and distinctive appearance. Restored examples are regularly displayed at classic car shows, vintage truck gatherings, and automotive museums. Their charming design reminds enthusiasts of a time when vehicles were built with simplicity, honesty, and functionality at their core. Driving a restored Austin A55 Pickup today offers a completely different experience from modern vehicles. There are no complicated electronics or advanced driver assistance systems. Instead, every journey feels mechanical, engaging, and connected. Drivers enjoy the sound of the engine, the feel of the manual gearbox, and the direct steering that creates a true connection between driver and machine. Another reason enthusiasts love this classic pickup is its versatility. Some owners restore them to factory original condition, preserving every authentic detail. Others customize them with modern engines, upgraded brakes, improved suspension, or refreshed interiors while maintaining the vehicle's classic appearance. Both approaches celebrate the enduring appeal of this remarkable British pickup. The Austin A55 Pickup also represents an important chapter in post-war British automotive history. During a period of economic recovery, practical vehicles like this helped businesses grow and communities thrive. They delivered goods, supported local industries, and became essential tools for countless hardworking people. Their contribution to everyday life makes them far more significant than just another classic vehicle. As the years have passed, surviving Austin A55 pickups have become increasingly rare. Finding one in original condition is now a special event, and fully restored examples continue to gain appreciation among collectors. Their rarity, combined with their historical value and charming design, ensures they remain highly respected in the classic vehicle community. Whether displayed at a classic car event, driven on scenic countryside roads, or carefully preserved in a private collection, the 1960 Austin A55 Pickup continues to capture the hearts of automotive enthusiasts around the world. Its dependable engineering, attractive styling, practical design, and rich history make it one of Britain's most memorable classic pickups. Thank you for joining Auto Luxury as we explored the wonderful story of the 1960 Austin A55 Pickup. If you enjoyed learning about this timeless British workhorse, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your favorite classic pickup truck, and most importantly, subscribe to Auto Luxury for more amazing classic cars, vintage trucks, and unforgettable automotive history. We'll see you in the next video. Did you like this feature?